Does a leaky spacesuit explode? Although it would definitely be unpleasant, you could survive for a couple of minutes. After around 10 seconds, you would lose consciousness. The lower pressure of the vacuum would cause your blood to boil, along with other body fluids, the moisture on your tongue, for example. But this boiling alone would not be fatal due to the pressure maintained by our blood vessels themselves. Gas bubbles would form in your bodily fluids, causing your body to swell up and bloat. The low humidity of space would cause you to cool down rapidly and your eyes may freeze over. Within 1 to 2 minutes, the lack of oxygen would be deadly. The stress of the situation may make these symptoms even worse. You would become oxygen deprived more quickly. A rapid decompression would cause damage to your lungs, eardrums, and sinuses, along with bruising and bleeding from soft tissues. Is the moon lemon-shaped? Despite its appearance in the night sky, our natural satellite is nowhere near round. In fact, the moon is shaped like a lemon, with flattened poles and bulges on both the near and far side around its equator. This strange shape is thought to have been created during interactions with Earth, soon after its formation. Did you know on Mercury a day is twice as long as a year? Technically, one Mercurian day lasts 59 Earth days, while a year lasts 88. However, due to Mercury's very eccentric orbit and alignment with the Sun, the length of time from sunrise to sunrise, known as a solar day, is equal to 176 Earth days, twice as long as a Mercurian year. You will be quite shocked if I say that the Milky Way smells of rum, raspberries, and booze. In 2009, astronomers exploring a giant cloud of gas and dust at the center of Milky Way made a surprise discovery. The cloud was packed full of a chemical known as ethyl formate, which has a couple of intriguing properties. It is responsible for giving raspberries their flavor and has the smell of rum. Another nearby region is also notable as it's full of ethyl alcohol or ethanol, the type we use to make alcoholic beverages. It contains enough alcohol to supply every person on the planet with 300,000 pints of beer per day for the next billion years. The fifth amazing fact about space is that Venus spins backwards. Venus spins in the opposite direction to the rest of planets in our solar system. Clearly, this is a puzzle that requires solving if we are to understand more about the formation and evolution of our solar system. Could it be that in the early days of the solar system, Venus was hit by another object, sending it spinning in the opposite direction? The truth is, there is no confirmed theory as to why Venus spins backwards relative to the other planets. But that's not the only strange thing about Venus's orbit. The planet also rotates slowly, with the Venusian day equivalent to 243 Earth days and longer than the Venusian year of 225 Earth days.